Look at these labels. I'm starting to figure out this new camera. What do you guys think? You like the new camera? Anyway, these labels are great, and so's the stuff on the inside, which is more important. But we're talking about Iowa Beard Company today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we talk about all things bearded. Thank you for joining me. Today we're doing a quick video here for Iowa Beard Company Black Friday sale. So I actually have a review to do of one of his seasonal scents. He had this one last year, brought it back again this year, and the packaging and the labels and the product itself on the inside are just great. This one's called Winter is Coming, but he's also got a couple of new scents as well. I want to at least give you a preview on. I do have one of those, at least a prototype on it. But there's a special code you can use through 7 p.m. Friday, which is today, Black Friday. I think that's probably Central Time, so probably 8 Eastern, I think. He's out in Iowa, and that's the code Friday25. We'll save you 25% off. And if you happen to be watching this after the fact, you can use my Beards and Banjos 15 and always get 15% off. By the way, there's no hidden cost when you order from Iowa. It's free shipping on every single order, every single day. All right, so sometimes you think I'm getting a good deal, and then you go to check out and it's like, that shipping is killer. So Justin doesn't like that. So he's like, I'm not charging people shipping and getting them that way. And we don't like any surprises. But anyway, I've done tons of videos on them. I want to do this one really quickly. So this one's called Winter is Coming, and it is woodsy and minty, and I like good woodsy minty scents in the winter time, which is what this one is. And it smells like essential oils, but it's really good. If you had a snake oil is this scent, and except you take out the mint and put in like a citrusy orange. This is the same thing, except you don't have citrusy orange. You've got candy cane instead in it. Well, not candy cane, peppermint or wintergreen. Which one is it? Hold on a second. I'm getting my scents mixed up. Let me read them to you. So you've got balsam fir, amber, pine, cypress, wintergreen, and other essential oils. Okay, and that one is really good. I like it. It's tame enough. You can wear it at nighttime, right before bed even. You can wear it in the daytime. The oil and the butters, if you don't know, if you've never tried Iowa, please do yourself a favor and do that. They've got some of the best feeling products on the market by far. All right, and the packaging and presentation and the labels are right up there as well, and the prices are super duper affordable. Okay, so let me just pull this up here. So oils and balms are $16. That's for a 2-ounce balm or a 1-ounce oil. Butter is $21 for a big 4 ounces, and the beard butter is mixed. It's like blended. The ingredients are blended, so it keeps them from separating, but it's still really creamy and smooth, but it's not light and airy. Okay, if that makes sense. It's really kind of like cake icing, fresh icing right as you're putting it on the cake. So it's pretty much like that. Comes out nice and smooth, no grit in it. A great butter for sure. All right, and you can get the whole trio, all 3 of those for $45, and that is before you add in the special codes, either the Friday 25 or after the fact, Beards and Banjos 15. You can use and save yourself 15%. Or 25% if you catch the sale in time. All right, and then the next scent, which I do have a little bit of experience with here, I've got a special one of those little magic R&D vials. I love getting those and working with companies and trying out stuff and giving them feedback. That's always fun. And this one is called Abominable. All right, look at the artwork on that. Looks great. So this one is chocolate mint. Okay, and that's kind of what you get to start with, but it's a lot more complex than that. So it's chocolate mint, kind of like an Andes chocolate mint. If you've ever had one of those, nice, smooth, not overly chocolatey, not overly minty. It's smooth, kind of sweet and creamy. But then you've got some candy. So chocolate mint, candy cane, and then that wears off pretty quickly, right? Those are kind of like top notes for me. And then usually chocolate kind of keeps on going and going and going. And I don't usually like chocolate scented beard products, but I do like this one because the chocolate is just very subtle. It wears away, and then you get some more savory notes, some more earthiness, because you've got some sweet tobacco in it, and vanilla and marshmallow and caramel. All right, and as I say that, it may sound on the description like it's really, really sweet. It's not really, really sweet. Okay, it's kind of a light to medium on the sweetness. All right, it's just a good scent. So chocolate mint, and then you get a little bit of that tobacco comes in on the back note, and it really is nice, and kind of surprised me. I didn't think I was going to like it because it had chocolate in it, but I do. So check that one out. And then just to let you know, he does have a new collaboration. We did one early 2020, I think it was. We did the Sophisticated Cedar, which is a great peppermint cedar kind of scent, which is great for wintertime. So if you're picking up an order, you may want to check that out. But he's got a new one with a gentleman that produces content on YouTube as well and Instagram, Iowa Crafted, and this scent is called Villain, and it is fir, campfire, but it says not smoky. All right, so I guess a little hint of campfire there. Tobacco, leather, bourbon, s'mores, oatmeal, and cypress. So as Justin keeps going, his scents get a little more complex, a little more robust, a little better, a little better, a little better. So I can't wait to see what 2021 has in store right now. I love seeing Justin's business has grown quite a bit, and he's busy. Sometimes just a little bit too busy, but good busy, because you know you're making people happy and getting the products out and getting the orders in. So once again, if you catch this thing early, you can put in Friday 25 here on Black Friday and get 25% off, or after that you can use my code Beards and Banjos 15. That is an affiliate code now, so that will give a little bit of a kickback to the channel here, so we can make some more great videos for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Iowa and which scents do you like. They had Black Pearl back in the spring, and then since then they've kept kind of progressing and getting better. Hitchhiker was one of the best scents of the year, and then he's had Prospector, which is a great birchwood oud scent, and then more recently had Relentless, which is a great tobacco scent. It's got a little honey in it, a little this, a little that, little good stuff. Anyway, let me know what sounds good, what you've tried from Iowa, and as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next video.